everybody, it's Patricia and welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So I have come up with a new idea. I recently did my makeup inventory, which I recommend everybody do because man, did it open my eyes as to what I really have. And a lot of the numbers really kind of jumped out at me. But another thing that kind of popped out at me was all the minis I have. I have a lot of minis. I know in my sample stash, I'll pull something. If I don't use it all, I'll go stick it into my collection. And so apparently I've done that a lot. I like mini lipsticks. I prefer to buy a mini over a full-size lipstick. But yeah, with that being said, I went back into my collection and the categories that I knew I had quite a few minis in, I have gone in and recounted just the minis. So what I decided to do was to create a new project. This is a project pan of using up my minis. So it's my minis project pan for 2020. I haven't seen anybody else do this. I don't know if anybody does it, but I know I need to do it. I'm going to do this a little differently. I am going to pick products to start with, but what I'm going to do a check-in every month. In that check-in, I will show you the minis I'm using, if I've used any up, and then we can get them on out. Just do it that way. And instead of, you know, if I use up one, wait for the new month, pull in a new one. I'm going to go ahead and just pull from my stash as I use them. And every month I'll give you an update. So the categories I thought I had the most minis in, and I do have the most minis in, is powders, face primers, face sprays, mascara, and lip products. And I bundled all the lip products into one. So for face powders, I have 17, but 11 of those are minis. 11 are minis. So I pulled a face primer, face powder to start with to work on, and it's a Mercier. It's the loose setting powder in translucent. So that's my first one I'm trying to use up. So we'll see how long that takes me. The next category is face primers. I have 27 face primers. 15 of those are minis. So this primer you have seen recently if you are if you watch my video, all my videos, you will have seen this recently in a sample stash, and it's the Beauty Blender The Leveler Pore Minimizing Primer. I went ahead and just grabbed this one. I have used some of this. Some of these I may have used some of, so we might get through them quicker. I did use this in a sample stash, so I used it for a week. I had plenty left, so we'll see how long that goes. I have, like I said, 15, so I got to get those out. I would like to get all the minis out of my collection except maybe mascaras and lipsticks. Those, I know I won't use them all, and like I said, I like a mini mascara and I like a mini lipstick because I feel they don't dry out and turn bad before I can use them up. So next was face sprays. I have 18 face sprays and 8 of those are minis. So I have chose the Tarte Ready Set Radiant face spray, and I'm already halfway done with this one, so hopefully that will go quickly. The next, mascara. I have 36 mascaras in which 21 are minis. So I have pulled out the Urban Decay Perversion. This is a smaller one. You'll see it's a smaller mini. It's a mini. I hopefully will use this up quickly, so that's why I pulled it. And then last, my lipsticks. I did not add all my lipsticks up. I have 8 crayons, 71 liquid lips, 14 gloss, 107 bullets, and I won't count the lip palette. So that's the numbers I have. In my minis, I have 79 mini lip products. 79. So the first thing I pulled is the smallest minis I have, and that's the Winky Luxe. These little lip pills. And the colors are Meow, City, Royal, Heart, and Pippi. I'm going to focus on those first, and let's see what we can get out of that. So that is my mini project pan. I'm excited about this one. One, I've never seen anybody else do it, but two, I want to get a lot of these minis out, and I'm going to be a little more mindful about my purchases and things like that. But a lot of my minis do come from sample stashes, and that's okay. And who knows, my numbers may change because I got more in. If they do change, I will adjust the numbers accordingly, and I'll still let you know at the end how many minis we began with and how many minis we end up with. So there we go. So thank you all again for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time.